Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in this Django and React tutorial series. And we left off by creating this AI endpoint that reads our user query and responds based on that. And in this video, we're going to manage the response we get. So we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us tailor out a good prompt. So we'll say, could you generate a prompt for Gemini Model 1 flat 1.5 Flash based on the following criteria? Your task is to generate a JSON object with following keys, and our keys is going to be this. So we'll just say following keys is name, artist, album, release date, themes, album art, links to listen. Okay, so your prompt task is to generate a JSON object with following keys based on of the recommended songs based on what user query is. Generate is to, let's say, recommend songs. Let's give it 5 songs and generate of the recommended songs based on what the user query is. So it's just going to give us a prompt for Gemini. Task is to recommend this, and title of the song, main artist, release date, themes. So that should be it. Yeah, that's what we need actually. Okay, let's just copy and paste this. And let's go to our views and let's try to see if our instructions work. If I just copy and paste it right here like that. I mean, it's reading everything as a string, so this is pretty good. And let's change the user query to songs about love, war, and crime. Let's just do that. Let's see if our model recommends us in a JSON format or not. Hit post, it's going to give us 5 response. It should give us 5 response. There we go. JSON. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, we do have it. Now we need to take this object and make sure we can use this as a JSON object. So for that, we're going to need to convert response text into JSON object. So JSON object equals, let's try to do that, print JSON object, and the response is going to be JSON object. Let's just try to do that. And we need to import JSON, of course. Okay, let's see if we run into any errors. We don't. Let's hit post again. Let's see if we can get a JSON object. Okay, expecting value line 1, column 0. Expecting value S. But we should have the JSON object printed on JSON.decoder. Okay, response dot text. Let's just try to create a JSON object of the whole response body. Let's reload it. Let's post it. Let's see if it does any magic. Still giving us the error. String bytes or byte array, not generate content response. Okay, we'll just print response.text. Let's see this one more time. Post. It's going to print it right here. It should. Okay. And it is giving us, it says JSON. Okay. What we can do here is let's copy this into ChatGPT. Let's say I have this right now and I want to be able to see the response as a JSON object. How can I do that here? Let's see if it gives us any recommendations here. Generate content, failed. Okay, let's try that. If this works. We don't need this. And we can say JSON response. Let's see if we run into any errors now. Reload, post. It says local variable cannot be accessed. Okay, let's just do none for right now. Let's reload it and post again. Oh, we're getting null. Are we getting any error over here? JSON.toms indent equals 4. Let's just say, please don't include JSON in the result. Just provide the object. Let's see if that works. Reload it, post it. Let's hope we don't get null here. Okay, there we go. We have a JSON object of response, and response has all of these. Now we have a format that we can use properly in our models and make sure that this is populated in our database. So I think I'm going to stop the video right now because it's going to be long if we just keep on doing it. So let me just show you the code one more time so that you guys can see it. What we did was basically try to load we updated few instructions over here while it was giving us these symbols. We wanted it to omit that and try to convert the response into a JSON object, which we can use in Python. So we do have a JSON response that we can use in here, and let me just comment out and show you what's coming up. We'll say create entry in database. So that's going to be our next video. Okay, up until now, if you have any issues, let me know in the comment section below. If not, I'll see you guys in the next one. And thanks for watching.